ありがとうございます。どうぞ。
お会計4点ですね。
This one, I took the fermented with orange peels.
Orange peels, okay.
Yeah, it's infused coffee.
Okay.
Okay, let's do that. So what's happening here is just boiling water here, and the water evaporates from here.
Okay.
Becomes steam. But I put the lid on here.
Oh,
So once I put the lid on here, the steam can't go anywhere. So the air pressure increases inside the bottle,
yeah.
and the water
Oh,
goes
okay.
through from the funnel here. And in advance, I put the coffee filter, which is using cloths. Putting on here, so you can see here. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, the
Yeah.
cup is there.
This will split the coffee ground and the coffee liquid. I just go
Okay. Oh.
put the coffee ground straight into the funnel and give it a nice stir. So there's three benefits using a siphon. So first one is we can extract the coffee at the high temperature, which allow to give it a more nice fruitiness, acidity and sweetness. And once I turn off the heat, it will vacuum the coffee liquid. See here?
Ah, okay.
So little bubbles
okay.
comes out, right?
Yeah.
So this one is vacuuming the coffee liquid. So that means inside of this vessel is filled up with only coffee aroma. So now all the air in here is every air contains like nice aroma, and the aroma will melt into the liquid.
Okay.
So it's more enjoyable.
Yeah. So when I drink, so I get the aroma together with it.
Exactly. And third one would be the coffee oil. Actually, we are using a cloth filter, so that's why coffee oil can get in here. So it's not crystal clear. It's a little bit like,
Fluffy.
frothy, foggy. Okay, let's put it in here. Again, give it a nice stir. It's pretty easy to use for like anyone. So we usually recommend siphon for like someone for beginning of the coffee. Good smell. There you go.
Turn off.
If I don't stir here, it won't go down. But once I stir and cool it down, the water comes down here.
Okay.
So this is all about the physics.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a science.
Yeah. And then when it's cooled down,
Yeah.
the vacuum
Yes.
will suck the water down.
Exactly. There you go. So this is Colombian coffee. And then here's the Chinese coffee. You can see the different colors.
Yeah.
And also on the surface, there's lots of coffee oil.
Oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes more sweetness into your cup.
Okay.
So please enjoy your coffee like for long.
Okay.
So then the taste will change.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah, by the temperature. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
This coffee is Ethiopian flavor like blueberry.
Thank you.